Welcome to Expert SEM Supply Chain Knowledge Sharing session. In this session, let us see a term called ASN, Advanced Shipping Notice. Advanced Shipping Notice is a document that provides detailed information about a pending delivery. The purpose of ASN is to notify the customer when shipping occurs and provides physical characteristic about the shipment so the customer can be prepared to accept the delivery. An ASN, which is usually sent over the internet in an electronic data information EDI or extensible markup language format, provides information about when an order will be shipped, which item are being shipped, how many of each of this item being shipped, and physical characteristic about the shipment such as shipment's weight, the number of boxes, and the description of how the shipment units are packaged. And ASN also tells the customer which mode of transportation is being used for shipping and provides carrier information. In today's environment, this message is more often as shipped notice sent after the departure of the shipment. Benefits of ASN could include not just for supplier but for buyers and also the end customer. Order visibility. The ASN is a multi-purpose document. When the order is sent to a warehouse, distribution center or store, it provides the recipient with the estimated shipment arrival time and it communicates the details of online order. This document is particularly helpful for retail and distributor clients that use e-commerce order management, especially drop shipping. The shipping and tracking information for packages is sent with an ASN to the retailer. The retailer then shares the data with the consumer to check the delivery status of their package. Confirms the final order through at first glance. The ASN may seem like just a shipment confirmation document, but it is more than that. It is also a final confirmation that the order has been fulfilled. With this information, buyers can easily adjust their open to buy budget confidently, and they can update inventory system to accurately reflect incoming inventory. Thanks for watching. Bye.